So if you get this screen when you try to install a plugin or do something else, it's because you recently updated WordPress, and that's a good thing, of course, but the server at the university is not configured correctly. So whenever WordPress is installed, there is this setting that needs to be added, and you can do it manually, and you have to do it manually. All right, so open up your terminal, or if you're on a PC, I guess it's the PowerShell, and you'll log in through SSH, and you do that by typing SSH and then your username and the one you have here at school and at wp1hj.se. All right. And then you're prompted for the password, and that's the password in the FTP credentials email that you got. All right, and then once you're logged in, we need to change directory to public_HTML like this. And after that, we need to open a file called wp-settings.php, and I'm going to use Nano, which is a file editor, a text editor here built into the terminal. And we need to change a line here where it says define, and we're also going to type in, we're going to call the function define once more. But with this settings, so just pause the video and type whatever I type here, and then exit, Control X, and then type Y, enter, and then you're done. And you can just exit, and everything should work as normal again. All right, good luck.